de cuida. Agency la thori concept ro ya lemba. Anda.
So we're gonna be eating. What is it called?
Sadarina the spicy ramen sari. Dingin spicy ramen. Katso chutney di sara da thari char sumba di sari.
And it's gonna be a
That's
decorating.
him do. Samgila.
So yeah. Let's just get
And here. Hi
Hi.
guys. This is Ravik. I'll mention his channel on my description box. Please do subscribe.
And pray for me, guys. I don't wanna die.
It's a triple spicy one, so yeah. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a shot. Wow. timothy보다 크이드. Ding ding ding. 맞아. It is same.
That zombie made, so I'm like really grateful that she made, and she wants to kill me with this spicy ramen. With 3, not even 2, 3.
Okay, let's get started.
So let's just get started and stop with the enough, with the bullshit. So zombie going on first because
Try it.
yeah.
Fuck.
Because I don't want to.
I'm trying for the first time too, is it?
Really?
Yeah, the 3x.
All the best.
2x though I've tried
All
now.
the best.
설순발이들 라면이요. 가서 트리플 X 왜다 뭔데요? 뭐 때문에 당구 세일했어? 많이 때문에 당구 세일? 거의 때문에 당구 써. It's your first time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, as I was mentioning, like how was our first time to have the triple X. Soggy हो गया बहुत, but
Is it spicy?
no, it's supposed to be spicy. No, it's not.
I don't even know how to like hold chopstick properly. I mean.
Do it like this. Should I hold it for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, zombie नहीं. थोड़ा सा.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give it a shot.
Okay. Cool. And okay.
I'm ready to finish the work. It's not red, Abhi. Okay, let's move the best. Good luck. Eat. Nice. Okay, great going.
Your turn, Nidun.
Okay, I'm out.
Fuck.
You guys are freaking me out. Don't freak me out.
It's so yummy, yeah.
It's soggy अभी इतना भी नहीं है वैसे taste तो बोला.
Yeah. And the challenge is we are not going to drink water.
That's spicy. You're shedding tears. Oh my god. Rob, it's crying right now. Shit, it's spicy. Like,
It's also tasty.
yeah. It's not that spicy. Not something I expected from like a triple X ramen.
You are pro.
Like, my spice tolerance is quite high.
How do I like?
So far, I'm winning. Whoa. Should be good.
But the second one was not that spicy.
It's not.
I'm gonna quickly make fun for my reels also.
Your height is I'm 5'8".
I'm 2 feet.
He is 6'1", na?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. Very good.
Hi guys. So today we're gonna do ramen challenge. So we're gonna try it today. We already ate it. Thoda sa we just already ate it. It's so fucking sweet.
It's sweet.
Nidhu, you also come?
You're crying right now, Robin. Shedding tears.
Yeah, but it's very sweet. I love it.
Samgi?
Nidhu, say hi
Hey,
to
look
my
pretty.
camera. This is Nidhu.
Hi. Oh my god. It's not spicy at all.
It's not spicy at all.
Samgi has you. Come here. I was about to bring two. अच्छा हुआ एक ही लाया. Shit. कुछ नहीं हुआ. My whole दो orange हो गया. My whole orange हो गया तो रंगा खाली तो समझो. Don't cry. कुछ गलत नहीं होगा. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. रोते नहीं. Just say you might mind listening. Check it out. 2x खा लेता हूँ मैं वैसे. It's 3x. Wow. It's really not that spicy. Ended खत्म होती है. But well, I guess my spice tolerance is
Yeah, a lot.
high. It's tasty, but oh my god, you're literally shedding tears. क्या लाया तो है? You didn't buy it. Nie, to bakar na leblebi rozkądś. Aha. 저거 6K. 그러니까 저도 야. एटलीस्ट रॉबिक से तो ज़्यादा टॉलरेंस अच्छा है मेरा. Shit. Robin, you're screwed. You got screwed. निंजा दीदी को खिलाना था यार. Let's take this for Ninja.
Yeah, yeah. Let's go inside, Papi. Let's give it a ninja.
Let's give it to Ninja. With the ramen. And yeah, agency है the कुंगोलां데 이라다 director. agency के head. Ninja ला 맞아 spicy ramen क्या? 니마. 마 니마 이 동물 왜 이렇게 일해줘? 데라 맞아 빨리 알려라. 데라 ninja दिना है. 빨리 알아. Hi Ninja.
We can't tell her. ज़ॉम्बी के बच्चे
Give it a try.
चॉपस्टिक से खाना जरूरी है।
शिट
हाँ, you get the feel.
ज़ॉम्बी टेस्टी है ना टेस्टी तो है
So big you have had it right.
चले खा लेंगे.
It's good.
कितने
इतना
गंदे
इतना तीखा नहीं है वैसे।
इतना तीखा नहीं, मैं भी वही बोल रही थी.
ज़ॉम्बी वीडियो विद प्रोफाइल्स रोय बनाइयो यार एक मेरे
दे ले यार प्रोफाइल तक गिरा.
उन्होंने लगाया है।
हाँ नहीं ये है
रामेन के सॉस. रॉबी की मूवी दे हॉट.
हमारा फिर भी खा रहा है।
Hi, my name is Tomki. I'm 20 years old. My height is 5'8" and he's on my side of 5. Also in
Are you available on the shoot dates?
Yeah.
इन्हें हाई लग रहा है यार तुम तो ये दोनों जॉइंट पे क्या है क्या नहीं नहीं और oh this is going on Instagram
Yeah.
I don't know these guys
You don't know who? But Robik has.
these guys are bad.
Ninja did try. Yeah, at least one. Once more.
poor connection.
Give it a shot.
Poor connection zombie.
And then just say hi to my YouTube channel subscribers.
Oh god, hi. Fuck.
Oh my god.
इतना कम लिया. Poor connection. Zombie मैं तेरे को मारूंगी तेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
इतना कम लिया.
Eat.
बहुत मिर्चा.
Oh my god. Ears are ringing.
हाँ पानी. हेलो पानी. तुम लोग पागल हो गए बोले.
야, 다 맞아 다시 내려버리겠대 이때. 내려버리게래. 달라. 내라. 말이야. 네. 이제 벌써 상반도 가지듯이. Ayo, tadi wondin rosh tong samso nindu tindi jisi ani chamolo la distile chakuna rana maji yuring wong yuma shigyu ngadinge nigzero de yunga hondigi sulong khaira masura boyuma shigyu ani ngejiman 강토도 쇠토도 ani nga isu go distile chakuna rana sering gasho